Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this. My first Nike sneaker in maybe 10 to 15 years. I don't know exactly in how long. I have nothing against Adidas. They don't really pay me, so I can do whatever I want with my money. I'm still waiting for YouTube to pay me for the ads they put on some of my videos, even though clearly my channel is not really eligible. Let's get into it because I have nothing else to say. And this is the box. I thought about maybe doing this like an unboxing, but then again, I don't really do fake shit because I already have the box here. And this is the sneaker. The Nike Air Zoom Type Premium in size 9.5 US. Of course, being the first Nike sneaker in a long time, the way I decided on the size and what my recommendation is, just go with the centimeters. 27.5 centimeters, size 43 Europe. With these brands, the sizing, the US, the Europe, the UK might change, but centimeters won't, because you know it's the length of the inside probably. This is UK 8.5, but in Adidas 9.5 US is 9 UK, and with Nike 9.5 US is 8.5 UK. So go with the centimeters. This is the Happy Pineapple whatever premium version, has a pineapple right here on the tongue. Let me tell you about the things I already like about the sneaker. First of all, of course, I like the price I paid for these. I paid about 90 euros or something like that, shipping, everything included. So that's really, really low. Look how much they're asking on StockX for these. I hope that's focused, but it says 250 euros for these on StockX. That is absolutely ridiculous. I like the fact that this material on the upper here, this is not that regular suede material that pretty much all these Zoom type sneakers have. And right here on the laces and on the tongue, if this can get focused, as you can probably see, this is some sort of a fiber material. I really like this extreme sole. You know, I'm into extreme soles, so this is one of them. And the materials inside, they really seem premium, as in this heel portion here. Things I don't like about this sneaker, first of all, it's this part here in the back. I'm not really a big fan of. And the second thing I don't like, if we're going to zoom on the Nike Zoom system, which is basically an air bubble. Okay, is it now focused? Yeah, basically this is an air bubble with some threads in it. And as you probably noticed, the threads are already starting to break, starting to fray. And the bubble has some glue on the top of it, which makes it a bit translucent. Maybe I'm going to paint this over. The other thing I don't really like about the sneaker, you know, is this portion here. This part, from the point of view of a designer, to me this part should have gone a bit down here on the toe box. This pull tab in the back looks a bit cheap. You already know, as soon as I'm going to stop this camera and do the on feet, this will disappear. The other thing I don't like about this sneaker, and it might seem like a lot of things, but don't worry, I still really like it, no matter what I don't like about it. This section here, so the toe box is very chunky, very wide, but then again, this sole part is very thin and it comes pretty high. It will pull from the material and it will give it a bit of a weird shape. When you step on these, it will look like that. What else? What else? I think that's pretty much it. Of course, immediately I'm going to do a lace swap on these, maybe black laces. Of course, you have your big logo here, the Nike swoosh, which I'm not really a big fan of, but then again, it matches the threads on the air bubble. So I think I can live with that. Let's see, what else? There you go. I think this is pretty much it. And let me see what it says about these on the official website. Right, the Nike Air Zoom Type sweetens your stride with a little pineapple gold, bringing the deconstructed look of the N354. Maybe that's a different Nike model. Also it says N354 on them. Right, the deconstructed look of the N354 to the streets. It celebrates the natural world with hints of richly textured plant material crafted from pineapple leaf fiber. Okay, so that's pineapple leaf, not coconut. I'm an idiot. Oh, and the coconut milk colored upper. Really? All right. It's easy to style while it's cork infused outsole. Okay, so it's cork infused. Cork infused outsole. Oh, okay, so the outsole also has some cork in it. Delivers the perfect amount of royal sophistication to your outfit. Yeah, nothing really says royal like cork. Oh, it's a bunch of bullshit. Alright, so after about 14 kilometers or so, here's my thoughts. I really like this sneaker. Probably one of my all-time favorites. The overall shape, this sole is actually not really that squishy. Overall, I really like it, and as I said, one of my all-time favorites. Now, there's still a bunch of things I don't really like. Those two zoom units, you can feel those. First time walking in these, the difference between the squishiness of the sole and the bubbles. Second thing I just noticed, after wearing these for 2 days, this sole started squeaking a bit. I think most of it is because this opening here, this hole in the sole, forms kind of a vacuum when you step. The tongue, it's a bit tall, so it kind of like this when you actually wear them. So this is also a bit rough and it rubs against your foot. You can go around that with some longer socks. I really like the holes in the material all the way through for ventilation. The zoom units, they look kind of the same after wearing these for 2 days compared to how they wear after taking them out of the box. I really do have a strong feeling this sole with the speckles, with the recycled shits through it, or whatever this is, cork. I think this is not as squishy as the... what happened? Not as squishy as the regular model. So I think that's maybe an advantage. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.